99.9999% important. Guarantee 4 marks question. It's very important. What is asking? Prove that root 2 is irrational number. అంటే root 2 ని సరణీయ సంఖ్య అని చూపండి. Let us assume that root 2 is rational number. Let us assume that root 2 is rational number. Actually, what is he is asking? Root 2 is irrational number. But what we assume here? Root 2 is rational number. That means let root 2 is equal to rational number means that is p by q form, a by b form. That's why root 2 is equal to a by b. Here a comma b are co-primes, comma b not equal to 0. Do you know what is the meaning of co-primes? Co-primes. What is the meaning of co-primes? A, B are co-primes. Co-primes ante enti? Actually, co-primes means here I took here two numbers. What are the two numbers? 4, 15. What are the factors of 4? 4 ఏ టేబుల్ లో పోతదమ్మా? 4 1s are 4, 2 2s are 4. 15 ఏ టేబుల్ లో పోతది? 3 5s are 15. 5 3s are 15. 1s are. So the factors of 4 are 4 1 2 3. 4 1 2. The factors of 15 are 3 5 15 1. What are the common factors here? 1. What is the common factor? 1. Only 1 is a common factor. Such numbers are called co-primes. Two numbers are having common factor as 1. Such numbers are called co-primes. One more example. 10 12. What are the factors of 10? 1 10 2 5 are. Next 12. 12 1s are 2 6 are 4 3s are. Now what are the common factors here? 1 1 2 2. So how many common factors are there? 2. 1 and 2. But co-primes means how many factors will be? Only 1 has common factor. But here 2 numbers are common factors. So these are not co-primes. 4 and 15 are co-primes. So co-primes means what? 2 numbers are having common factor as 1. Such numbers are called co-primes. First of all, you see, let us assume that root 2 is which number? Rational number. Let root 2 is equal to a by b. Here a comma b are co-primes. B not equal to 0. Next, squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Root 2 whole square is equal to a by b whole square. Square root cut to 2 is equal to a square means a square by b square. Next from this, b square is equal to a square by 2. This is 1. Here a square is divisible by 2. So a is also divisible by 2. Here a square by 2 means a square is divisible by 2. So a is also divisible by 2. Equation 2. Let a is equal to 2c. What is a value? 2c. Now substitute in first equation. From 1, b square is equal to a. What is a ma? 2c whole square by 2. 2 square means 4. C square means c square by 2. 2 1s are 2. So c square is equal to b square. C square is equal to b square by 2. Here b square is divisible by 2. So b is also divisible by 2. This is 3. Third condition. From 2 comma 3. See, from second one, a square is divisible by 2, so a is also divisible by 2. Here b square is divisible by 2, so b is also divisible by 2. So here a is divisible by 2, b is also divisible by 2. That means from 2 comma 3, 2 is common factor of A and B. 2 is a common factor of A and B. But here what we wrote, A comma B are which primes?
Co-primes.
Co-primes is what is the common factor? 1. But what we got common factor here? 2. 2 is common factor. So this is contradiction. Our assumption is wrong. Our assumption is wrong. What is our assumption? Root 2 is
Rational number.
So wrong enduku. Root 2 is which number?
Irrational
number. Irrational number. Once again listen, this is very important question. చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్, పబ్లిక్ కి మస్ట్ అండ్ షుడ్ గా వచ్చే క్వశ్చన్ ఇది. ఏమంటే నెంబర్స్ మార్చాలి అంతే. ప్రూవ్ దట్ రూట్ 2 is which number? Irrational number. Irrational number means what? We cannot take outside root 2 value. 2 ని మనం బయటికి లాగలేము. So such numbers are called irrational numbers. అంటే తెలుగులో ఏమంటారు? కరణీయ సంఖ్య. రూట్ 2 ని ఏం సంఖ్య అని చూపాలంట? కరణీయ సంఖ్య అని చూపాలి. Let us assume that root 2 is ఏం నెంబర్ అనుకున్నాం? అంటే అకరణీయ సంఖ్య అనుకున్నాం. ఏం సంఖ్య అనుకున్నాము? అప్పుడు రూట్ 2 is equal to అకరణీయ సంఖ్య ఏ రూపంలో ఉంటది? a by b రూపంలో ఉంటది. హియర్ అంటే ఇక్కడ a, b co-primes పరస్పర ప్రధానాంకాలు. b not equal to 0. co-primes అంటే ఇందాక చెప్పా కదా, టూ నెంబర్స్ తీసుకుంటే వాటి కామన్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ ఏం రావాలా? 1 రావాలా. such numbers are called co-primes. So squaring on both sides, root 2 is equal to a by b whole square. Square root కట్టేది ఏం మిగులుతుంది? 2 is equal to a square by b square. That implies b square ని కట్టేసుకున్నాం, 2 ని కట్టేసుకున్నాం. b square is equal to a square by 2. 1. Here a square is divisible by 2, so a is also divisible by 2. తర్వాత let a is equal to ఏమనుకున్నాము? 2c. ఎట్లా గుర్తు పెట్టుకోవాలంటే కింద ఏముంది? ఇక్కడ 2 ఉంది కాబట్టి 2 అనుకోవాలి. ఇక్కడ 3 ఉంది అనుకో 3c, 5 ఉంది అనుకో 5c, 7 ఉంది అనుకో 11 ఉంది అనుకో 11c. అట్లా a is equal to 2c. From 1 b square is equal to a బదులు ఏం రాసుకోవాలా? 2c whole square by కింద ఏముంది? 2. 2 ని స్క్వేర్ చేస్తే ఏమొస్తది? c ని స్క్వేర్ చేస్తే c square by 2. 2 1 जा 2 2 जा 2c square is equal to b square. c square is equal to 2 ని వద్దకు పంపిస్తే ఏమవుతుంది? b square by 2. Here b square is divisible by 2, so b is also divisible by 2. From 3 from 2 comma 3, 2 తో a divisible అవుతుంది, 2 తో b divisible అవుతుంది. కాబట్టి 2 is a common factor of a and b. కానీ మనం ఏమనుకున్నాం? a b ని co-primes అంటే కామన్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ ఏం రావాలా? కానీ మన కామన్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ ఏమొచ్చింది? 2. దిస్ ఇస్ కాండిషన్ అంటే అది తప్పు. అవర్ అజంప్షన్ ఇస్ రాంగ్. మనం అనుకుంది తప్పు. ఏమనుకున్నాం మనము? రూట్ 2 అనేది రేషనల్ నెంబర్ అనుకున్నాం. అది తప్పు అంటే ఏం కావాలి? ఇంకా రూట్ 2 is irrational number. రాసుకోండి. What is the difference between first problem, this first method and this method? Only single root is there. Means root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7, root 11 like that. But here one number is whole number, one number is root. So prove that it is irrational number. Then first let us assume that 5 plus root 3 is rational number. This is the first step. Next, let 5 plus root 3 is equal to here a comma b are co-primes. b not equal to 0. Next, root 3 is equal to a by b plus 5 will become minus 5. So 5 means 5 by 1. Root 3 is equal to a into 1, a. 5 into b, 5 b into 1, 1b and b and over there. Root 3 is equal to a minus 5b by b. This is in the form of a by b. A by b means numerator and denominator. Such numbers are called rational numbers. A by b form numbers are called rational numbers. Here a minus 5b by b is rational number. So both are root 3 is equal to a minus 5b by b. A minus 5b by b is which number? Rational. Equal is there, that's why root 3 is also rational number. Root 3 is also rational number. See, both are having equal sign. Equal means This one rational number means this one also rational number. Root 3 is rational number. But we proved root 3 is which number? Proof करें तो वहाँ में
Irrational number.
but root 3 is equal to क्या आया? Rational number actually. So our assumption is wrong. This is contradiction. This is contradiction. So our assumption is wrong. Therefore, 5 plus root is which number? Irrational number. Once again, it is an. What is the question? 5 plus so that 5 plus root 3 is which number? Irrational. So let us assume that 5 plus root 3 is which number? Irrational. 5 plus root 3 is equal to same steps. These two. 5 root 3 is equal to plus 5 will become
Minus 5.
A ones are A. 5 into B.
5B.
By B ones are
B.
A minus 5B by B. This is in the form of A by B form. A by B means which number?
Rational number.
So both are having equal sign. రెండింటి మధ్యలో ఏం సైన్ ఉంది?
Equal.
ఈ రేషనల్ నెంబర్ అనేది ఇది కూడా ఏం కావాలా?
Rational number.
రూట్ 3 కాబట్టి రూట్ 3 ఏం నెంబరు?
Rational number.
మనం కానీ ఫస్ట్ మెథడ్ లో రూట్ 3 ఏం నెంబర్ అని ప్రూవ్ చేసాము.
Irrational number.
ఇక్కడ రూట్ 3 ఏమొచ్చింది?
Rational number.
This is contradiction. Our assumption is
Wrong.
therefore 5 plus root 3 is which number?
Irrational number.
Is the question ma? 2 minus root 5 is which number?
Irrational number.
We have to prove. Let us assume that
2 minus 5.
2 minus root 5 is
Irrational number.
rational number. Next let 2 minus root 5 is equal to A comma B are co-primes. B not equal to 0. Next 2 plus A by B will become minus A by B. Minus root 5 will become
Plus
2 means 2 by 1. 2 into B, B 1 into A by B into 1 is equal to 2B minus A by B. Which number is rational number? Because this is in the form of A by B. A by B form is there now. That's why this is called rational number. Mathematically, root 5 is also rational. But we proved root 5 is which number?
Irrational
So
number.
this is contradiction. Our assumption is
Wrong.
so 2 minus root 5 is which number? Rational number. Now write down. रेशनल नंबर का तो रूट में से रूट लो नीचे बैटिंग लागत छु फॉर एग्जांपल 4 रूट 4 can be written as 2 into 2. So what is the answer? Root 4 is equal to 2. So we got the answer without root. So that's why that number is called
Rational number.
root 9. 3 3s are. So root 9 is rational number. Root 16. 4 4 is 16. That's why root 4 is rational number. But root 2 cannot be written as the product of same numbers. So root 2 is irrational number. Next root 5, root 7, root 6 also. 3 2 is 6 but same number का रास्कोलेमु. Root 8 also. 4 2 is 8 6 7 same number का रास्कोलेमु. The numbers which cannot be written as the product of same numbers, such numbers are called
Irrational number.
plus root 7 is irrational number. Yesterday we proved single root. Root 5 is irrational number. Root 7 is irrational number. But today root 5 plus root 7 is irrational number. What is the first step? Let us assume that
Root 5 plus root 7 is rational
root 5
number.
plus root 7 is
Rational number.
rational number. Next step, let root 5 plus root 7 is equal to
A by B.
A comma B are
Co-primes.
co-primes.
B not equal to 0.
B not equal to 0. Next, from this, root 5 is equal to A by B plus root 7 will become
Minus root 7.
squaring on
Both sides.
both sides. Squaring on
Both sides.
root 5 whole square is equal to a by b minus root 7
whole square.
square root to cancel, getting cancelled. 5 is equal to, this is in the form of a minus b whole square. What is the formula of a minus b whole square?
A square plus b square minus 2ab.
A means a by b whole square, b means root 7 whole square minus 2ab. 5 is equal to a square means a square by b whole square means
B square.
Square root getting cancelled.
7
minus 2 root 7 a by b. 2 root 7
a by b
5 plus 7 will become
minus 7
is equal to a square by b square minus 2 root 7 5 minus 7 how much?
Minus 2.
Minus 2 is equal to a square by b square minus 2 root 7
a by b
So minus 2 root 7 a by b
plus
we get plus 2 root 7 a by b is equal to a square by b square minus 2 will become
plus 2.
2 by 1. 2 root 7 a by b is equal to a square into 1 plus 2 into b square by b square into 1 b square. Root 7 is equal to a square by 2b square by b square into 2a by b. We'll get reciprocal. b by 2a. 2a by b means b by 2a. 1b getting cancelled. Root 7 is equal to a square plus 2b square by 2ab. 2ab. This is a by b form. A by b means which number? Rational number. So a square plus 2b square by 2ab is rational number. So root 7 is also root 7 is also rational. But yesterday we proved root 7 which number? Rational. So this is contradiction. Our
Assumption is wrong.
assumption is wrong. Therefore, root 7 is irrational number. Once again listen. What is prove that root 5 plus root 7 is irrational number. And root 5 plus root 7 ni కరణీయ సంఖ్య అని చూపాలి. సో రూట్ 5 ప్లస్ రెండింటికి రూట్ ఉంది. ఇలా చేసిన ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఏముంది? ఒకదానికి రూట్ ఉంది, సింగిల్ రూట్. ఇక్కడ రెండు డబుల్ రూట్ వచ్చింది. సో ఏం చేయాలి? ఫస్ట్ లెట్ us assume that root 5 plus root 7 is which number? Assuming root 5 plus root 7 is
Rational number.
So this can be written as a by b form because rational number is always a by b form. A comma b are co-primes. B not equal to
0.
Root 5 is equal to plus root 7 ఏమైందమ్మా? Squaring on both sides చేసాం. అంటే స్క్వేర్ రాస్తున్నాము. స్క్వేర్ కట్ అయింది. ఏం మిగులుతుంది ఇక్కడ? 5. a minus b whole square. a square plus b square minus 2ab. 5 a square by b whole square means b square. Square root cancel, getting cancel minus 7. 2 root 7 a by b. Plus 7 ఇక్కడికి వస్తే ఏమవుతుంది? a square by b square minus 2 root 7 a by b. 5 minus 7 అంటే ఏమొస్తుంది? minus 2 is equal to a square by b square minus 2 root 7 a by b. దీన్ని ఇక్కడ తెచ్చుకున్నాం. మైనస్ ఉంది కాబట్టి ఏమైంది? plus 2 root 7 a by b. a square by b square minus 2 అవతల పోతే ఏమవుతుంది? దీనికి ఏం లేకుండా ఏం రాసుకుంటాం? by 1. క్రాస్ మల్టిప్లై. a square into 1 a square, b square into 2 2b square, b square into 1 b square. root 7 ని రూట్ నెంబర్ ని ఇక్కడ పెట్టుకొని 2a by b ని అవతల పంపిస్తాం. రెసిప్రోకల్ అవుతుంది. 2a న్యూమరేటర్ లో ఉంది కాబట్టి డినామినేటర్ లో పోతుంది. డినామినేటర్ లో ఏముంది? న్యూమరేటర్ లో పోయింది. b getting cancel. a square plus 2b square by 2ab. This is a by b form. So which number?
Rational number.
రెండింటి మధ్యలో ఈక్వల్ సైన్ ఉంది కాబట్టి ఇది కూడా ఏమవుతుంది? This is contradiction. Our assumption is wrong. So root 5 plus root 7 is irrational number. What is your proof that root 3 minus root 5 is
Irrational number.
Let us assume that root 3 minus root 5 is
Rational number.
root 3 minus root 5 is equal to
A by b.
root 3 is equal to a by b minus root 5 will become
Plus root 5.
next step is squaring on
Both sides.
Squaring on
Both sides.
Root 3 whole square is equal to a by b
Plus root 5 whole square.
Square root getting Remaining cancel. 3 is equal to a plus b whole square.
A
A
square
square
by
plus
B
b
square
square plus
plus 2ab.
3 is equal to a whole square means a square. b whole square means b square. Plus square root cancel. 5 plus 2 root 5
A by B.
2 root 5
A by B.
3 plus 5 will become
Minus 5.
is equal to a square by
B square
plus 2 root 5
A by B.
a by b. 3 minus 5
Minus 2.
minus 2 is equal to
A square by B square plus 2 root 5 A by B.
Next minus 2 plus a square minus a square by b square is equal to 2 root 5 a by b by 1. Minus 2 into b square
Minus 2B square
minus 1 into a square
minus 1 square
by 1 into b square
B square
is equal to 2 root 5
A by B.
by b. 2 root 5 a by b is equal to these two minus is common. 2b square plus a square by
B square
b square. Root 5 is equal to minus 2b square plus a square by b square into 2a by b reciprocal b by root b square cancel. Root 5 is equal to minus 2b square plus a square by 2ab minus 2b square plus a square by 2ab is which number? Rational number. So root 5 is also, but actually root 5 is which number? This is contradiction. Our assumption is wrong. Therefore, root 3 minus root 5 is irrational number. Root 3 minus root 5 ని కరణీయ సంఖ్య అని చూపాలి. Root 3 minus root 5 is equal to ఏమనుకున్నాం మనము? అంటే అకరణీయ సంఖ్య రేషనల్ నెంబర్ అనుకున్నాము. Root 3 minus root 5 is equal to a comma b are co-primes. b not equal to 0. Root 3 is equal to minus root 5 ఏమైతదమ్మా? తర్వాత ఏం చేసినాం? స్క్వేరింగ్ ఆన్ ఇక్కడ స్క్వేర్ రాసుకున్నాము. స్క్వేర్ రూట్ అంటే ఏమి మిగిలింది ఇక్కడ? ఇంతకు ముందు ప్రాబ్లం లో a మైనస్ b హోల్ స్క్వేర్ ఫార్ములా వచ్చింది. ఇప్పుడు ప్రాబ్లం లో ఏమొచ్చింది? జస్ట్ ప్లస్ తేడా అంతే. a స్క్వేర్ బై b స్క్వేర్ స్క్వేర్ రూట్ కట్ అయ్యి 5 2 రూట్ 5 a బై ప్లస్ 5 ఏమైతదమ్మా? b మైనస్ 5 అంటే ఎంత? -2 a స్క్వేర్ బై b. ఇంతకు ముందు ప్రాబ్లం లో ఈ b ని ఇక్కడ పంపించాం. ఇప్పుడు ఎందుకు పంపించలేదంటే సింబల్ ఏముంది ఇక్కడ? కాబట్టి అవసరం లేదు, b ని ఇక్కడ పంపించుకోవాలా. ప్లస్ a స్క్వేర్ బై b స్క్వేర్ విల్ బికమ్ మైనస్ a స్క్వేర్ బై b స్క్వేర్. క్రాస్ మల్టిప్లై. Minus 2 into b square 1 into a square by b square into 1 equal to 2 root 5 2 root 5 over b is equal to రెండింటికి మైనస్ ఉంది కదా, మైనస్ కామన్ తీసినాం. 2b square plus a square b square. root 5 ని పెట్టుకొని 2a by b ని ఇవతల పంపిస్తే ఏమైంది? b by 2a స్క్వేర్ b క్యాన్సిల్ minus 2b square plus a square by 2a b. This is a by b forms of rational number. Root 5 is also rational number. This is contradiction. Our assumption is wrong. So root 3 minus root 5 is irrational number. Assume that
1 by root 2 is rational number.
1 by root 2 is rational number. Next, let 1 by root 2 is equal to
A by B.
A comma b are co-primes.
B is not equal to 0.
b is not equal to 0. Take reciprocal. What is the reciprocal of 1 by root 2? Root 2 by 1. By 1 no need to write. Is equal to what is the reciprocal of a by b?
B by A.
This is in the form of a by b. That means rational number. b by a is which number? Rational number. So root 2 is also rational number. Rational number. This is contradiction.
Our assumption is wrong.
Our assumption is
Wrong.
therefore 1 by root 2 is
Irrational number.
irrational number. Next fifth one. Here also, let us assume that 3 plus 2 root 5 is rational number. Next step, let 3 plus 2 root 5 is equal to a by b. A comma b are co-primes.
B is not equal to 0.
A is not equal to
0.
2 root 5 is equal to a by b minus 3 means 3 by 1. Cross multiply a into 1 a minus b into 3 by b into 1 here. Next send to that side, root 5 is equal to a minus 3b by 2b. A minus 3b by 2b is which number? Because this is a by b form. Rational number. So root 5 is also rational number.
This is contradiction.
This is
Contradiction. Our assumption is wrong. Therefore, 3 plus 2 root
our
5
assumption is
wrong.
therefore
3 plus 5 is irrational.
2 root 5 is
Irrational number.
irrational number. To prove that 1 by root 2 is irrational number, 1 by root 2 is equal to a by b, where a comma b are co-primes, b not equal to 0. Take reciprocal of these two numbers, means 1 by root 2 will become root 2 by 1. That means root 2 is equal to a by 2 will become
B by A.
b by a means which number?
Rational number.
So root 2 is also which number?
Rational number.
This is
Contradiction.
Our assumption is
Wrong.
1 by root 2 is
Irrational number.
Next question. Let us assume that 3 plus root 2 root 5 is which number?
Rational number.
3 plus 2 root 5 is equal to
A by B.
A comma b are co-primes, b not equal to
0.
2 root 5 is equal to plus 3 will become
Minus 3.
3 means 3 by 1. Taking cross multiply a into 1
A.
3 into b
3B
by
B.
to send that side. Root 5 is equal to a minus 3b by 2b. A minus 3b by 2b is which number?
Rational number.
This is a by b form. So root 5 is also which number?
Rational number.
This is contradiction. Our assumption is wrong. So 3 plus 2 root 5 is
Irrational number.
find the LCM and HCF of the following by prime factorization method. Here 3 problems are given. We have to find out the LCM and HCF. First problem, what are the given numbers, ma? 2 numbers are given. We have to find out LCM and
HCF.
So first find the LCM of 12. It's prime number 2 is next 15 3 15. Find the LCM of 12. 2 6 are 12. 2 3 are 6. 3 3 5 are
15.
12 can be written as
2 into
3. Next 15 can be written as
3 into 5.
next see the common factors. What are the common factors
Three.
here? 3. So the HCF is 3 common value. Next LCM is equal, what is the common factor?
3
Into what are the remaining numbers here?
2 into 2 into 5.
3 to the
6
6 to the
12
12 5 the
60.
so LCM is equal to
60.
next to second question. What is the second question? 10
15 25.
First find the LCM of 10 2 next 15 5 3 next 25 5 so 10 is equal to 2 into 5 15 is equal to 5 into 3 25 equal to
5 into 5.
what are the common factors here?
5.
What is the common one? So LCF is equal to
5.
LCM is equal to 5 into
2 into
2 into
3 into 5.
5 5 2 is
10.
10 3 is 35 is 150. Next is third one. What are the given numbers?
9, 49,
9, 49,
34.
34. 9, 3, 3 is 49. 7, 7 is 34. 2, 70 is 9 is equal to 3 into 3. 49 is equal to 7 into
7.
34 is equal to
2 into 17.
2 into
70.
HCF. HCF is what? Common one. What is the common factor here? There is no common factor. So in 9 means 3 into 3. 49 means 7 into 7. 34 can be written as 2 into 7. What is the common factor here? There is no common factor. So the HCF is 1. HCF is 1. These numbers are called co-primes. I told you first X of 1.4. So co-primes means all are having no common factor. If only one is common factor, that is called co-prime. So HCF is here 1. LCM is equal to 3 into 3 into 7 into 7 into 2 into 70. 3 3 is 9. 9 7 is 63. 63 7 is 7 3 is 21. 7 6 is
42, 44.
43.
44.
44. Next
Into 7.
into 3 3 is 9. 9 7 is 63. 63 7 is 4 41. Next 2 is 2 1 is 2. 2 4 is 8. 2 4 is
8.
into
17.
17. 7 2 is
14.
7 8 is 56. 57. 7 8 is
56.
56 plus 5.
61.
1 2 is 2. 1 8 is 1 8. 4 9 9 40. So what is the LCM? 14,994. Correct. Third, fourth, fifth, sixth, these Romans are very important. 1 mark question guarantee. From this 4 questions, 1 mark question on guarantee. Okay. So here is the example 1. What is the last digit of 4 power n? Given what is given by here? 4 to the power of n. First let n is equal to 1. Substitute from 1. Take in n plus 1. 4 power 1. That means 4. Let n is equal to 2. That means 4 square. 4 square means 4 into 4. 4 4 ja 16. Let n is equal to 3. That means 4 cube. 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4 ja 16. 16 4 ja 64. Next let n is equal to 4. 4 to the power of 4. 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4 ja 16. 16 4 ja 64. 64 4 ja 128. 256. Like this so and so. So first time, what is the first digit here? 4. What is the digit here?
16.
What is the digit here?
64.
So what is the digit here? That means last digit 6. That means 4 or 6. Every time repeating 4 or
6.
So therefore the last digit is
4 or 6.
4 and 6. 4 and 6. Next question. What is given mark?
5 power
5 power?
Yeah.
That means like that only. First substitute in n place 1. Let n is equal to
1.
That means 5 to the power of
1.
5 to the power of 1 means
5.
Let n is equal to 2. 5 square. 5 square means 5 5 is
25.
Next let n is equal to 3. That means 5 cube. 5 cube means 5 into 5 into 5. That equal to
125.
Next let n is equal to 4. 5 to the power of
4.
5 into 5 into 5 into 5. 6 and 6
5.
What is the digit here?
5.
What is the last digit?
5.
What is the last digit?
5.
What is the last digit?
5.
It is always
5.
Therefore the last digit is
5.
last digit is 5. Okay. How will you show that these numbers 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 4 is a composite number? What is the meaning of composite number? Composite number అంటే ఏంటి? which are called composite numbers? Not prime numbers. So, inka full form. That the definition. How can you identify that such a number is composite number? How can you identify? How can you say that that is a composite number? ఒక నెంబర్ ని చూసినాక అది కాంపోజిట్ అని ఎలా చెప్పగలం మనం? For example, let's take a small one number 2. So what are the factors of 2? Two factors in 2 ఏ టేబుల్ లో పోతది? 1 and 2. The 2 is having two factors, 1 and itself, 1 and 2. So such a number is called prime numbers. If a number has two factors, such a number is called a prime number. Next 3 factors. What are the 3 factors? 1, 3. So how many factors are there? 2. So 3 is called a prime number. Next take 4. 1, 4, 2. How many factors are there?
3.
This one is called a composite numbers. So the definition of a composite number is if a number has more than 2 factors. More than 2 means 3, 4, 5. How many will be? 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many? Next 10. What are the factors of 10? 1 and 10. First write 1 and itself. Next 2, 5. How many factors are there?
4.
So 10 is which number? Composite number. Next 7.
1, 7.
How many factors are there? 2. So this is called a so prime number means how many factors will be? 2. Composite number means how many factors will be? More than 2. 3 ఉండొచ్చు, 4 ఉండొచ్చు, 5 ఉండొచ్చు, 6 ఉండొచ్చు, ఎన్నైనా ఉండొచ్చు. సో దీన్ని కాంపోజిట్ నెంబర్ అని చూపమంటున్నాడు. గివెన్ ఏమి ఇచ్చాడమ్మా ఇక్కడ? 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 4. In these two, here 2 terms are there. 1, 2. In these two, what is the common number? Is there any common?
Yes, sir.
4 is common. 4 ఉంది కదమ్మా కామన్ రెండిట్లో 4 కామన్ తీసుకుందాం. అంటే 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 లో 4 ని బయటికి లాగాం. What are the remaining numbers?
5 into
3 into 2 into 1. What is the symbol?
Plus.
Plus. 4 ని బయటికి లాగేసాం. ఇంకేమన్నా ఉన్నాయా ఇక్కడ? ఏం లేకుండా ఏం రాసుకోవాలి? 1. ఏం రాసుకోవాలి? 1. 4 into 5 3s are
15.
15 2s are
30.
30 1s are 30 plus 1. 4 into 30 plus 1 how much ma?
31.
Into 1. 1 రాసుకున్నా ప్రాబ్లం ఏం లేదు. ఎందుకంటే ఎన్ని నెంబర్స్ కి 1 తో మల్టిప్లై చేసినా విల్ గెట్ ద సేమ్ ఆన్సర్. How many factors are there?
3.
3 factors are there means is it composite or prime?
Composite.
Here factors are it is having more than 2 factors. Having more than 2 factors. So it is called composite number. Composite number అంటే 2 factors కంటే ఎక్కువ రావాలి. ఇక్కడ 3 వచ్చినాయి కాబట్టి అది ఏమైందమ్మా? Composite number. Next fifth one. What is the given number? 16 into 13 into 11 plus 16 into 11 into 7. Is there any common one?
Yes, sir.
What are the common here?
16 and
11. So 16 into 11. 16 into 11 is common. What is the remaining term here?
13.
13. What is the symbol?
Plus.
In these two are common. What is the remaining value?
7.
7. 16 into 11 into 13 plus 7 how much?
20.
20. Into 1. 1 రాసడానికి ఏం ప్రాబ్లం లేదు. వాల్యూ ఏం చేంజ్ కాదు. How many factors are there?
4.
So more than
2.
so that is called which number?
Composite number.
It is having more than 2 factors. More than 2 factors.
So it is
So it is
called composite
composite number.